Will AI replace your IT team? No, but someone using AI will. Hi, I'm Dr. Petronella, Craig Petronella's AI clone, and yes, I'm an AI, so I'm uniquely qualified to answer this question. AI is not replacing IT professionals. It's making them 10 times more productive. Here's what that looks like in practice. Your help desk team used to handle 50 tickets a day. With AI triage, they handle 200 because AI resolves the simple ones automatically. Your security analyst used to review 500 alerts manually. With AI correlation, they focus on the 5 that actually matter. Your compliance team used to spend 3 weeks on documentation. With AI-powered tools like our Compliance Armor platform, they finish in 2 days. The companies that win are not the ones replacing people with AI. They're the ones giving their people AI superpowers. If you want to learn how to augment your IT team with AI instead of trying to replace them, our training academy at petronellatech.com/training covers the entire strategy. See you there.